So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix and can't save draft in your Outlook. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so for guys, first of all check your internet connection. So guys, Outlook need an internet connection to save drafts. So guys, to refresh your internet, first of all you turn on your aeroplane mode once and turn it on after 10 seconds. It helps to refresh your mobile network. Okay, then guys, you restart your Outlook application. For restarting the Outlook application, just open it. Okay, and guys, simply swipe down from the bottom and fully closed your application. Okay, it helps to refresh your application. Then guys, check these stories. So guys, make sure that you have the proper storage in your Outlook. Okay, if you have less storage, so you get this type of issues and that it not saved. And ensure at least 1 GB space is free, and delete unused app or the file if needed. Okay, then guys, you try to update your application. For updating the application, again open the Play Store once. Then guys, simply search the Outlook application, Outlook mail. Just open it and update it. Okay, another thing is guys, you try to disable low power mode. So guys, low power mode can stop syncing the mail and also disable lot of services. So simply swipe down, and guys, here you see the option of don't dis oh, sorry save data saver. So make it to turn off. Okay, then guys, you move to the another step, which is check the draft folder. For checking the draft folder, open your Outlook, click on the profile. Guys, here you see the option of draft and check here that it's properly solved or show or not. Okay. So guys, these are the basic things you can done. At the end, you also try to restart your phone. So these basic things that you can done to fix this issue.